So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max speakerphone volume fluctuating while listening to the stereo sound. How to fix this? So guys, to address this issue of fluctuating the speakerphone volume on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, here are the several troubleshooting steps. So guys, first one is check the volume setting. Guys, ensure the volume setting is set above to 50%. For checking the setting, open your settings, okay, and here you search sound and haptics. In sound and haptics section, here the option of ringtone and alert, okay. So by simple dragging you select the volume levels, okay, like this, okay. So please make sure it is more than 50%. After that you close it, and next step is you try to restart your phone, okay. For restarting your iPhone, you just press the volume down button and power button simultaneously until you see the option of slide to power off, okay. When you see the option, so you just slide off, okay. After few seconds your phone is automatically restart and you can enjoy your phone, okay. Next is disable the audio engagement. So guys, for disabling the audio engagement, go to the settings, sounds and haptics, okay. Here is the option of sound and haptics. When you open it, your sound and haptics, you can check if any audio enhancement or equalizer setting are enabled that might be causing the malfunctions error. So you might want to set the equalizer to the off or the late night for the consistent volume level, okay. So for checking, here is the ringtone, here is the text tone, and here is the default alert. So please try to make it all to the default, okay. By default, go back setting, here is also choose the default and make all the things to their default settings, okay. And also check these settings also, sound and haptics in keyboard, lock screen and sound. After checking all the settings, you close it and check it the problem is solved or not. If the problem is still same and you're facing the error yet, so guys, you need to reset all the settings. So guys, if the problem persists, so go to the settings again, then open journal. In journal section you find the option of last one, transfer and reset. Then tab on the reset. Here is option of reset all the setting. So you just tab it and your phone is recognized and your here you start. Otherwise you also verify this process by using your passcode, okay. So face ID required stolen device protection is on, then you close it. And the last step is you try to check the software update. So guys, make sure your phone is always up to date with the latest version. For checking this, you open your setting, in journal again find the option of software update, okay. If it is shows iOS is up to date, so your phone is up to date with the latest version. Otherwise any update is available shows here, so you download it. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.